Okay, hello everyone. It is Sunday, July 13th, 4 p.m. I'll start my timer. I think today we're just going to do one DP problem, we're going to do the last one. Regular expression matching. So, have a look at this one before. Given an input string S and a pattern P, implement a regular expression matching with support for dot and star, where dot matches any single character and star matches 0 or more of the preceding element. Matching should cover the entire input string, not partial. Honestly, the easiest way of doing this is just importing regex. That would be cheating. I'm a little confused on exactly how I'm going to do this. So somehow this is going to be a 2D. I don't see how exactly just yet. This might be one of those kind of problems where it's not very clear about how you will cache. The last problem was kind of annoying, so we'll see. Index X and then index P. Maybe this is the 2D part. Let's see. If index S is less than 0, and index P is less than 0, we can just return true. And take a look at these of all of them. If index S is less than 0, okay, let's try that. So if they're both out of bounds, then it should be good, but if they're not both, then that's not good. Okay. We're gonna say the index S and index P is not in cache, and we're gonna run this problem. Problem. So the recursion comes in play. Oops. Problem. then we're just going to return cache of index S, index P. Okay, I don't see exactly like how this will go. So you have three options, or maybe more than three. If the character of S is equal to the character of P, or character of P is a dot, and then we can take it and move both. If the character of P is a star, we can either take both and move, or just take S and move, and leave it at P. And then if neither of them are matching, then it just falls off rip. So if index S equals index P, whoops, my apologies, S of index S equal to P of index S. Or P of index P is equal to dot. We can run solution to the singular dependent. Else we'll say if index P of index P is equal to asterisk, aka wildcard, then in this instance we can either take or not take. So say take equals this, don't take equals this, solution equals take and take or don't take. I'm trying to see if there's a possible solution. Don't take will be dp of index s minus 1 index p. And take will just be index s minus 1 index p minus 1. And yep, I don't know if this is gonna work per se. We'll see. So we're gonna do this as length of s minus 1, and then length of e minus 1. And let's try. Most likely we're gonna get an incorrect solution because this is a hard question. And I doubt we're just gonna get it right first try. We'll see. Okay. So pass the test cases. That's pretty good. See if it passes all. Wrong answer. Okay. Not surprised. What? I'm sorry. How is this the same? Am I understanding the problem correctly? Given input S and a pattern P, implement a regular expression matching with support. I'm confused. Oh. Of the preceding element? Oh, you can't end on anything. Oh, shoot. 0 or more. Okay, this is hard. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to do this one. That kinda confuses me. Okay, I'm thinking instead of going top down, we'll go bottom up. But we're still gonna use captioning, like how we do it. I hate tabulation. I guess does this count as tabulation? I don't know. The way I did tabulation, I hated it. So we'll see. Um, I'm honestly gonna do a previous as well. Oh, but no, crap. This is tricky. What the hell? Maybe, hold on. Maybe not this way. Maybe we're gonna actually go back to how we were doing it. I just thought about that. It's just, not gonna work. Crap. I'm gonna have to think about this. Oh man, that that asterisks actually screwing my brain up right now. Not gonna lie. Okay, so we're gonna go through these three, regardless. Here, if I see this, I activate my special. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say if special doesn't equal none, no, we're gonna make it a boolean. Apologies. Special. Then I'm gonna say if s of index s is equal is equal to index p of index p. I can take I can do solution equals solution, or I'm gonna have to, this is gonna get kind of finicky, of dp of index s minus 1 index p, and then true, and then solution equals solution, or dp of index s and index p minus 1, and then false. We get rid of, we're no longer using special. So let's take and ignore if it's a special character. If it's not a special character, if it's then I'll say curious what happens when you do like 2 of them. I don't know if they would per se. I would kind of hope not. I think this is kind of confusing. I can see this just not working at all. Usually whenever stuff kind of like blows up like this, yeah. Let's see how this goes. So if special, just not. Else if it doesn't. Else if, okay. Okay, true. So now we're looking at A and we are special. So if special, then if the current index is equal to the current index of P, then we can take, say, solution is equal to solution, or dp of index s minus 1. So
Oh, but they never both go down together. That's the problem. Okay, I see. They don't. It's.
What happens is it gets stuck with one of these. Honestly, we'll do this. Let's see if that actually works. Okay.
Oh, shoot.
Okay. I don't know. I feel like I'm like kind of skating on ice with this one. Okay, we got much closer. True. Ah, doesn't work.
So now I need to figure out where the edge case is.
This is silly. So past that one. Wait, hold on, let me. Oh crap! Oops. Right, it's not gonna run. What if I run it like this? Okay, that passes. Feeling close, but not there. Special. So how many times does it go down where one goes down, the other one doesn't? Literally only on special. Okay, so this has to be okay. Here we go. This is what I'm gonna do. If index S is less than 0 and index P is less than 0, or let's do so that way I like know exactly what I'm breaking off here.
index S is less than 0, and special. That's what I get from here. Oh, come on. Wait. Huh? Wait. Index P is -1? What? How? How did index P become -1? Print A. Okay, this is probably going to be, incorrect. We'll see. Let me see. I'm probably gonna put some printing. How do we get to this point? Like, brother, what the fuck do you mean, my guy? I'm so genuinely confused. So it's only going down branch B, which is exactly kind of what I expected. But it should be going down 1 on each side, not going down 2 on each side. So what's the deal with that? 2 3 1 2 0 1 -1 0 -1. Wait, hold on, wait. Oh, copy. Let's see if this is an output limit exceeded. It's probably like, dude, fuck. Oh my god. It's been 35 minutes about, so 5 minutes I'm gonna just pack shop and give up on that, but damn. So this is supposed to be false. Why is this true? Because it's special. Damn! They say the last ones are the good ones. Screw it. Oh, yeah. Whoops. I don't know. Ah. Really? Full circle. Back to this one. Why? How about this? I don't know why I haven't done this. I'm gonna say... while index P is greater than or equal to 0, I'm going to say if special, then index P minus equals 1. Elif index P equals asterisk, then special equals true, index P minus equals 1, else break. Return index P equals -1. I don't know. Hey. Work. Fuck! God damn it, motherfucker! God damn it, dude. Oh, come on. Oh, crap. I need to make special false here. Okay, what is going wrong here? I mean, genuinely, what the fuck? I don't know. We're gonna have to watch a video on this. We hit the 40-minute mark, so... That's a hard question, man. 40 minutes for one question. Jesus. Let's look at the hints for a second. Actually, no. Just watch the video.
Hey everyone, welcome back, and let's write some more neat code today. So today let's solve a pretty hard problem, regular expression matching. So we are given an input string S and a pattern or a regular expression P, and we want to implement regular... more times, right? So let's brute force this. We know we have a choice. Are we going to repeat the A at least once, or are we going to repeat it 0 times? If we repeat it 0 times, then we end up with an empty string, right? If we repeat it once, we end up with a single A. Now, clearly, we want the single A because it matches this, right? And if we decided to have an empty string, meaning we want this star to, and this character A to repeat 0 times, then we would have to move to this position, right? And there clearly isn't any character here. Maybe there would be a B, maybe there would be an A, but there's clearly nothing there. So this decision is going to stop, right? We cannot go any farther. All we can do here is an empty string. But it's okay because we ended up matching with this A when we were on this path, right? So now the character we're looking to match in the input string is this single A. So now again, we have a choice. Are we going to repeat the star? Like in this spot, we repeated the star. In this, we didn't repeat the star. Now, again, we have that choice. Are we going to repeat the star or are we not going to repeat the star? If we don't repeat the star, we're going to end up with a single A, and then we're going to have to be shifted over to this position, meaning we cannot use the star anymore. So we're going to stop, right? This is going to be our string, a single A. But you can see in our input string was a double A. So really, our other decision where we do repeat the star at least one more time is going to lead us to double A. And that's good because now we have the second A, meaning we matched this second A, right? So now in reality, we have matched the input string. But just to show you, in theory, we could keep going. We could decide not to use the star anymore, right? We would be shifted to that position, and in which case our ending string would just be double A. Or we could use the star one more time, meaning we...
I'm sorry, I'm curious what's going on here. Mother... dude. How did I fuck that up? Let's try that. Okay, that passed. I'm an idiot. Is this gonna work? Oh my god, it worked. Ah! Oh my god, I actually solved it without using any help. Holy hell. That was a hard problem. Holy hell. Oh my god. I'm curious how he wrote his code. That's way cleaner. Oh, whoa, that's extremely bad time complexity. Holy hell. Okay, so that's more like it. What the fuck? Okay. Yeah. Well, there you go. Alright, well, that was a difficult problem. I solved it in a probably unconventional way, but that's how we do it out here. Oops. There you go. First page. There you go. So 2D DP is not complete. So now I can move on to bit manipulation, math and geometry, or advanced graphs. Actually, no, I need to do heap first. I guess we'll do bit manipulation, do math graphs, and then we'll finish up this last part over here later. But yeah, thank you for watching me struggle on one problem for 40 minutes. That's pretty difficult. And I will see you tomorrow.